Bitcoin just nailed our wave 4 target and bounced it exactly as we expected in the last update. If our Elliott wave count is correct, we could be on the way for a wave 5 and so a push to a new all-time high. This could be the start of the next major move of Bitcoin. As you can see just right here, I was looking for this impulsive wave 1, 2, 3, was looking here for the pullback wave 4, and then was looking here for the wave 5. With two different trades for the wave 4, that was basically based off this bottom here, swing through a pan for the second trade. We did got a bounce from here, but at that point we recognized that it was really more likely to go towards a new bottom, and so we was looking exactly for the following target. You can see I was looking at that time for the following trade just down here, and so for a bigger triple wave basically in the wave 4 before to look for the wave 5. So right now, if I show the wave, you can see here we did got the drop into the target here was looking for, into the 50% here is a green level, and we are getting the bounce towards a possible new all-time high. So in today's update, I'm simply going to show you what we can expect next and simply plan the next wave, as simple as that. So let's start first of all with the targets. Okay, you can see here, so we did bounce it from the 50% of the wave 4 to find this this target here. You could simply place the retracement tool from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root, so to speak, just right here. You can see here that we have done something bigger than the 38.2, that is the red level. We went into the 50%. It's all good, to be honest with you, as soon as we are holding this target. And so from this 50%, we had our increase in price, and we are still having the increase in price at the moment. From this bounce, we created here some 5 waves to the upside again. It's possible to go and make another increase in price here to form next the bigger wave on top, then the wave 2 and 3 or 5 to the upside here. It's possible, okay, but for now I like this wave, so I'm gonna remain with this. Okay, so after the wave 4, we simply have to look for the wave 5. So I'm just gonna delete the targets here and show you again how to place these targets. So let's go here on the 4 hours and let's place the extension tool to find the wave 5 targets. To do so, you place the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top, and the third click is going to go on the wave 4 bottom. And so from here you add the wave 5 targets. Let's drag this a little bit more on the right so we can see a little bit better what's going on. This a little bit more on the right too, and we can already get rid of the first targets because it brings us, if we stop like this, for example, you can see we'll have this 3 fips here. This is the MC extension. Well, is it possible to stop here? Yes, but it's very, very, very unlikely. It all ends up here with a wave 5 truncated that stopped before the wave 3 top. But again, it's very, very, very rare to get this. We more likely go for a new all-time high and for a new high next. Okay, so we can get rid here of the MC extension. We can also remove here the 100%. And the bottom here, the bottom line, and we can simply keep the 1618 and the 2618. These are the next targets we can look for the wave 5 to be in. So we have this first target coming around 123,600, and the next target is coming around 129,000, so to speak, the big psychological level we are having above 130,000 on Bitcoin. Okay, so we just have to look for the wave 5 and for the following targets. So that brings us basically with a possible trade like this. Okay, again, we took the long already from the bottom. We have been able to plan this. Everything was planned live. Okay, for example, this was in the daily update. So if you go into the live section here, 3 times a week I'm live basically on YouTube with you all to plan the next, the day ahead for trading basically. And so in these updates, this is where, for example, we have been able to plan all of this. Okay, so make sure also to go and watch as a stream. This is very important because I'm not gonna record videos like this all the time. I'm trying to do some more videos like this one, but I'm more doing a live stream, and I'm also posting in Discord, by the way. You can go and check out the Discord server here. I'm posting everything here into the Mateos update channel. And by the way, if you want to trade like I do every day and to just, for example, how to recognize to take the long here, all of this, it was based, for example, of an MC long reaction. That's a reaction on the order flow. So you have this brilliant software here that is ATAS, okay, and so at the moment it's free, but starting on August 12th you will have, it depends again of your use, but if you're day trading, if you're trading often, you will need more likely to pay. Okay, this will become paid on August 12th. So if you want to get a discount, you can simply go and check out the link you will have in the description. you just have to click the link, sign up with this link, and between August 11 and 17 you will get a weekly event. So you can get a promo code, use this promo code to get a discount on your subscription. So I'll let you go and sign up with this, and you will only be able, if I'm correct, to add the promo code if you sign up with this link. Okay, and so of course, well, you will enjoy a member discount only, and you of course support the community, because everything I'm doing here, all the updates, even in Discord, you have to pay absolutely nothing. Everything is for absolutely free. So if you want to support me, this is a way also you can do it. Anyways, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this because we're here to plan the next move. So yeah, so you have this possible trade again. I'm not saying you have to long now. The best is to wait for the support to be hit. I'll let you go and check out the today's daily update. For example, we have some support just below here. Today's daily update is available here into the live section, so you can go into the live. You can see here 3 hours ago I've posted here, I was live to update Bitcoin, to make the plan basically for the day ahead. Okay, so here wave 4 is in. We can look for the wave 5. We have the wave 5 targets. And so now, what do we have into this wave 5? We simply have some 5 subwaves, so to speak. We have this bigger pink wave 1. I'm gonna mark the wave here so you can really see everything. Let's make this a little bit bigger. We have this wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have another impulsive or an ending. That's a bit of a more complex configuration that I'm not going to cover today. It's basically a wedge to the upside. Okay, to make it very easy, we're going to print here an ABC zigzag. This is going to form a bigger wave 1, then we're going to make the bigger wave 2. We'll get basically a kind of wedge triangle to the upside, so 3, 4, 5. That's another type of wave 5. This is an ending, okay, but I'm not going to focus on this because between an impulsive and an ending, the impulsive is the most probable, so I'm really going to focus on this. So in that case, we can look for the wave 1, for the wave 2, pull back into the lower time frame targets we have planned in the daily update, so basically between the 50%, 618, 86%, okay, just right there. And so from here we can look for the increase in price for the wave 3, for the wave 4, for the wave 5. To plan the wave 3 targets, we will need the wave 2 bottom. So let's take the case that the wave 2 is going to stop at the 618, well, at the 50% more likely, okay. We are going to go in that case towards at least here is a 100%. We have only 2% chance to stop here, so it's pretty low. Normally we'll have more chance to go towards here's a 1618, so we can look for 125,400 for the wave 3 to be in. Again, we can push even higher, it's possible, but this is normally at least what we should reach with the wave 3. Again, it's in case we're in this configuration. Keep in mind, if we push up once more, this is going to invalidate the bigger pull move down for the wave 2 like this. Okay, the targets for the retracement here are going to be a little bit different. Again, to stay updated with all of this, you can simply go and check out join the Discord server basically and stay updated in there, or watch the daily updates every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 10 AM UTC+2. So yeah, this is just how you can find your target. Next, basically, next for the wave 4, you can pull the retracement tool again from the wave 3 top down to the wave 3 root at the wave 4 targets. Okay, so 2316 MC fib, so 3132 and 38.2 here. And then to find the wave 5 targets, you simply have to take the third click of the extension tool, drag it here on the wave 4 bottom. First target here is the MC extension, so 618, 71, 786. Then we'll have the 1-to-1 extension, so 100%. Sorry, then we'll have the 1618 and the 2618. Okay, again, to plan all of this, we'll have to get all the data. I mean, the time for now, it's very early to determine all of this, but this is basically how it might looks like. For example, here we normally should go into the 1-to-1 extension. So yeah, 130k is a very big resistance here. 130,000 is a very big resistance for Bitcoin next, if we manage to get this push to the upside. But that's for now, everything is looking good. Okay, the only thing we need now is to change the market structure, because we keep doing some high, lower high, lower high, lower high. It would be nice at some point that we go swipe this high to change this local market structure, so it really shows the strength. We already got the sign of strength during the weekend. You know, we've got the value low, for example, here of the wall range. I'm with something here, no? So you've got, for example, here this value area low, path control, value area high. When you get acceptance back above here, this value area low, so we took the long before already. But when you get acceptance back above this value area low, if you missed the long from before, you activate another long trade. That brings us with the targets of the value area high. This was a take profit one for both longs. Okay, so now we just have to wait for the drop go into the targets, read the order flow, see what are the data line at time, if we manage to drop, of course. And if the data are good on the order flow, we take the long trade. If not, we just will remain patient for better data or for a continuation to the next targets. As simple as that. Okay, so that is it basically for Bitcoin. Maybe we can look for what we can expect next. So yeah, wave 5 in that case will be in. That will finish here as a bigger wave 3. Okay, because in the wave 3 here, so we have this wave 1, 2. We'll have another wave 1, 2. This is the wave 3, we have the wave 4, we are looking here for the wave 5, and so these 5 waves here are going to complete the bigger white wave 3. And so next you look for another wave 4, another wave 5, like this, 3, 4. Again, I'm drawing the targets and the price action randomly right now just to show you what we're looking for approximately. And these are going to complete next the wave 5. Okay? And again, if we get a massive push to the upside, we'll look for the second higher time frame configuration. I'm not going to cover this now, it was already covered before. I'm really going to stay focused on this section of the chart. Okay, so basically, so what we can look for next, it's as simple as that. Can we just fail here to hold, to hold and drop from here? Yes, it depends. If we hold, for example, here the lower time frame support we have planned in today's daily update, if we do break below this support, then the probability increase for a new low to be made, and so we can simply look next basically for a swing through pan failed auction off the current low. And if this swing through pan failed auction is not holding, we simply look for the gap bottom. Okay, we simply look here for the gap to be filled a little bit below. Quick reminder, the top here is support. You can see we bounce it from the gap top here. If we get acceptance inside, we expect it to be filled, and so to go to the bottom of it, and then the bottom is a support. Okay, as simple as that. And we can look for some confluence down there. We have, what was the price of the gap again? This is 114. We don't have so much support there. But yeah, so in any case, I'll update this if we have to drop down here. For now, this remains the most probable configuration. This is what we have planned. This is what we have been looking for weeks now. We are doing it, so why not take this wave, right? It's just following the plan at the moment. So anyways, hope you enjoyed. If so, you can smash the likes. Thank you so much as always. If you take the time to do it, you can also write some comments down below. It helps really a lot. So again, thanks for this if you take the time to do it. If you want to trade on ATAS, you can go and sign up with a link you have right down in the description and in the comment section. You can enjoy an exclusive member discount between August 11 and August 17. I will share a promo code during these dates so you can enjoy this discount, and of course you support the community by doing this, because all these updates, all these predictions are free. If you're making some money from this is a way you can support me. Anyways, wishing you all a brilliant day ahead. Take care and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.